Recordings. Do you have any question from the previous classes?
No question.
No problem. Yeah. So we discussed till data types. We'll start with the data structure. Data structure or collection data types or whatever generally people call data structures or so list, tuple, dictionary, set. These are the four data structures available in Python. This is also called collection objects or collection data types. So in Java terminology, we call array list, hash map, set. We call them as collection objects in Java terminology. So here it is also called collection data types or data structures. These are the very essential part of your data processing or data analysis, right? So so if your data in like is it's a collection of items, then you need to represent using these objects. Okay, so if you want to represent your data in tabular format, then you may go for data frame objects, which we will discuss later. There is a package called pandas which provides data frame to represent your data as a tabular format. Okay, these list, tuple, dictionary, set or generally represents your collection of items. So it's mostly a uh, array. If you know what is array, basically collection of elements, right? Collection of elements or collection of items, which is similar how you can represent those collections uh, in a Python object. We will discuss about that. So this list is a one of the very important collection object data structure. So list are ordered collection of typed objects and it can be of any length. Okay, so say example, you can create a list um, uh, by specifying a variable name equal to in the square bracket, right? In the square bracket, open and close square bracket, if you provide any element, then it is going to contain those elements inside the list. And the list is a mutable and can be modified. A list can contain mixed data types. Okay, so can list can contain both the numerical and alphanumerical values. The list is defined by using a square bracket. We can also use a list keyword to define a list. Something like this. Equal. So you can actually define, as I mentioned, a list can contain okay.
Should be square bracket or it's parentheses?
No, it's a list. That's correct. Maybe he can.
I think it's only text list data type.
Yeah. So basically, a list. You can provide this like this. Okay. So as I mentioned, we can have different types of elements in your list. So example, I have integer, and I have one string element, and and also I have one a double or floating element which contains a decimal value, right? And you see, it says list is a ordered collection of elements. Means whatever the order you inserted. Example. Uh, so I create a simple list, numbers list equal to, okay, I'll just put one, okay, and you can actually add element to the list by using append method. I'll just do, I'll just keep, okay, here 5, here 4, here 6, here 3. So print. So basically, whatever order I inserted, right, in the same order it will be. Okay. So we'll discuss about set. Set is basically it will do sorting. Okay. So if it is a numbers set, then it'll actually internally it will do the ordering. Like it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. But list will not do the sorting. So whatever the uh, order you inserted, it will return the same order. Okay. And list, as I mentioned, list will contain multiple data types or multiple types of data. So even list can have another list. That's also possible. So if you look at this list, I'm having a integer value, string value, and also there is another list which I'm putting inside my list. This is also possible. So if I run this, I'm trying to find the type of this list object. It says is a class of list. And you can use append. And if you want to, as I mentioned, if you want to find out the properties and the methods which we can operate on this list object, you can use um, you can use a function called DAR, which will return you there. So you have append method, you have a clear method, you have a copy method. We can find a count of inside the uh, if you want to find out the items in the list. You can also use, there is one more function called length, which will return you the length number of items in the list. And then insert pop is to remove, I guess. Delete. And you have remove, reverse, sort, everything is there. Okay, so append is mostly keep appending to the list. Insert is you can based on the, you can actually based on the index point. Okay, based on index you can actually insert the element. Means you can actually say example here I inserted 80 and 50 and 35. So you list also index starts from 0. So 0th position 80 is there, first position 50 is there, second position 35 is there. If I'm trying to insert 75 next to the like in the first position, okay, which is currently 50 was there. It will move back. This will become second position, third position. If you run this, see here, before we insert 75, we have 80, 50, 35. So we inserted 75 in the first position. So it became here and others got moved. Right. And then insert visa. Remove function will remove the element from the list. That's almost straightforward. And we'll try what is top. So 80, 35, 75, remove 50. So, so we have 4 elements and we are removing 50. So it got removed. Let me try pop. Sorry, this got disconnected. So let me print the marks list, which contains 3 elements. Let's do the.
Sorry, are you sharing? I think it's not shared.
Okay, yeah. Let me. There is some up and down in my network. I'm resharing my screen. Let me know if you are
Your
able to.
voice is breaking. Is it breaking for me? Okay. Is it breaking for all or breaking for me only? Other guys, how it is?
Surinder, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, Pari, it's better now.
Just let me know you're able to see my screen. I shared my screen.
It's loading might be.
Others, can you able to see my screen? Can you confirm?
No, Pari.
Okay, let me stop the sharing. Now I'll share again. What's happening? It's already connected. What about now?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, still the same issue.
Okay, let me disconnect and please use the same link on join. Let's see.